Let's start with the newest scale shape, or mode shape. So we got D Dorian starting on a D, still in the same key as C. So what would be a good idea is, for right now, when you're practicing this particular shape, say the frets as you play it. This will definitely help it stick better. So you got 10, 12, 13, 10, 12, 9, 10, 12, and then back down, 12, 10, 9, 12, 10, 13, 12, 10. 10, 12, 13, 10, 12, 9, 10, 12, 12, 10, 9, 12, 10, 13, 12, 10. It's also important that you use the same fingers going up and down. So you have, I'm going to say the number finger that you have now. So you got your first, third, fourth, first, third, first, second, fourth, fourth, second, first, third, first, fourth, third, first. So you have a couple shifts with your hand here. So when you're going up, you're going to shift your hand over when you go to the D string. And then when you go back to the A string, you shift your hand again, so this way you use the same fingers going back down as you went up. Okay, so the bass lines, so what I'm going to do, I'll play it each one without a backing track first, and then I'll play it to the backing track that I created. So get these all set up here. Alright, so the first one, and the idea is to help you just start locking into where the kick drum is, which is what you're going to be following for basically your metronome. Keep counting out loud. So when you hear that first count, and start counting along with it. So if you miss count number 1, just start on count number 2 and continue on. So here's the first new line that I wrote. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now with a backing track. Okay, now the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now with the track. Whoop, wrong one. Here we go, now we got the right one. Last new bass line, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grab the correct backing track. Here we go. also put the backing tracks together, or mix them down anyway for what we did last time too. So let me play those as well. So I'm just going to play to the backing tracks here. So here, from the very first one from last week with the backing track. Second one from last week with the backing track. That's that. So the reason why I did not count out loud when the backing track was playing, so you could hear the bass with the backing track easier. But when you're practicing with it, definitely a good idea for now. Keep counting out loud. It'll help you stay on the beat better. Alright, if you have any questions, please let me know. But I'll see you again next week.